Cruise gratuities generate more questions, more online debate, and more first-timer confusion than almost any other topic in cruise planning. How much are they? Who gets them? Can you remove them? Do you tip on top of them? I am answering all of it right now with honest numbers and honest context. I am Mark from Adventures by K&M. This is Deep Dive Wednesday. Filming this week from Walt Disney World. At the end, I'm giving you the exact, real, all-in budget number because most people underestimate this by $200 and wonder where it went. What automatic gratuities are. Most major cruise lines add a daily charge to your onboard account automatically, typically $18 to $22 per person per day, depending on the line, ship category, and cabin type. Suite guests pay a higher rate. These charges are pooled and distributed to your dining room team, stateroom attendant, and behind-the-scenes food and beverage staff. The people you interact with most every day are the primary recipients. What automatic gratuities do not cover? Bartenders, spa technicians, specialty restaurant servers on some lines, and casino staff. These crew members receive tips directly and are not in the automatic pool. If this breakdown already cleared up something you were not sure about, hit the like button right now. Helps other first-time cruisers find this before they get on the ship. Go ahead. Cent rates by cruise line, 2026. Rates fluctuate based on your stateroom. Suites typically cost more. Current estimated daily averages per person include Carnival Cruise Line, starts around $17. Royal Caribbean, ranges from $18.50 to $21. Norwegian Cruise Line, about $20. Princess Cruises and Celebrity Cruises, typically $17 to $19 plus. Prepay recommendation. If gratuities are not included in your fare, prepay before sailing. Rates lock at prepay and lines occasionally raise them. Can you remove them? Yes. Guest services can reduce or remove automatic gratuities. The process is simple and cannot be refused. The honest context. Crew members work 7 days a week for 6 to 9 month contracts. Their compensation is structured with gratuity income as a meaningful component. Removing them as a general cost-cutting measure affects crew members who had nothing to do with whatever frustrated you. Appropriate use. Genuinely poor service from a specific team. Redirecting to an exceptional crew member. A documented problem the ship failed to resolve. Lines where gratuities are included. Celebrity always included fare. Virgin Voyages, some Norwegian free at sea packages. Always check whether gratuities are included before comparing sticker prices across lines. Tipping beyond the automatic gratuity. Not obligated, appropriate for exceptional service. Staff who benefit most. Stateroom attendant who went above and beyond. Dining room waiter who learned your preferences. Bartender who remembered your order. Kim and I give a small cash thank you to our stateroom attendant on the last evening of every sailing. I want to hear from you while this is fresh. What is your gratuity approach? Prepay, pay on board, or adjust at the end? Drop your honest answer in the comments. The real all-in budget number most people miss. A couple on a 7-night sailing. Approximately $250 to $280 in automatic gratuities for both. Add bar tipping and an end-of-trip stateroom attendant thank you. Realistic all-in gratuity budget for 2 people on a 7-night Caribbean cruise. $300 to $350. That number belongs in your trip budget before you book. Families. Multiply by everyone 4 years of age and older. If you want complete honest financial breakdowns on every cruise decision, gratuities, drink packages, shore excursions, cabin upgrades, subscribe to Adventures by K&M and hit the bell. Deep Dive Wednesday every week. Real numbers, no spin. If you want the full cost picture of your specific sailing, free 15-minute consultation. Link in the description. We are at Walt Disney World right now, filming everything in real time. New content dropping all week, straight from inside the parks. Hit the bell and follow along. See you tomorrow.